Pork is a staple in many Latin meals, and it may seem impossible to veganize, but it really isn't. I'll show you how to make these vegan roasted pork chunks, aka vegan paneer, that looks just like the real thing. The key to making this dish look like pork is one ingredient, jackfruit. Not just any jackfruit, green unripened jackfruit. You could buy jackfruit as a whole fruit or in a can. If you know how to cut a whole jackfruit, then go ahead and use it for this recipe. If you don't, then I recommend getting the canned jackfruit where it already comes cut up. I've included a link to where you can get the jackfruit down below. I'm going to cut the hard triangular core from each piece. Check each piece for a little seed-shaped pod, and if you see one, cut it out of the jackfruit with a knife. Put the jackfruit in a resealable container and set aside. Grab a bowl to make the marinade. Add vegetable broth, garlic, adobo, oregano, onion powder, salt, black pepper, and stir to mix all of the seasoning together. Add the marinade to the container with the jackfruit. Cover and shake so that the jackfruit is completely covered in the marinade. Let it marinate overnight in the refrigerator. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Pour the jackfruit and marinade onto a baking dish. Make sure that all of the pieces are covered in the marinade so that they don't dry out. Place the baking dish in the oven and bake for 35 minutes, stirring the pieces halfway through so that they don't dry out. You want the jackfruit to be fork tender, just like that. See? They look just like pieces of roasted pork. I've included a link to this recipe in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, go ahead and click on that like button, subscribe, and comment below.